guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna unbox and do a little first impressions and review of the Laneige. I think that's how you say it. Le Duo 360 Airflow Styler. So this is supposed to be like a straightener and a hair curler all in one. So I wanted to try it out now that I have my short hair back. We're gonna see if we can get like a little cute hairstyle. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. I do all things beauty. New video for you guys every week, but let's get into it. Also, sorry if my makeup's looking a little crazy. I just filmed a video giving makeup a second try, so some of these products on my face are looking a little crazy. All right, guys, so let's unbox this. Very, very nice, very cute packaging. This came in the pink color, and I think they also had it in black, but I like the pink. I thought it was really cute and girly. I really like that. Okay, it comes with this little cute little card. I think it's just like the little instructions on how to use it. Very, very cool. And then here it is. Let's take it out. Take off the plastic. All right. Ooh, okay. That is very, very cute. So looks like there's a power button. This must be the fan. I think there's a fan that cools the curl while you're doing your style. And then it has the heat degrees here with little LED. And then it's like a little clamp. Cute. Very nice. And then you have a really long power cord, and it does fully 360 swivel at the bottom, which is awesome. All right, I'm going to plug this in. Ooh, I want to mention, I also bought, I have never had one of these. They're a little iron mat. It's a little silicone mat that you can put on your counter to put your hot tools on so it won't burn anything. This is fantastic. And I like that it's grippy, that it won't kind of slide off of the mat. And you can either put it inside, so if you're traveling and you gotta run quickly, you let your iron cool, and then if it's still a little warm, I feel like you can pop this in and then just throw it in your bag. Or you can just lay it on top as you're styling. So I'm gonna use that on my counter here. So I think that's everything that comes in the box. It's just the iron and the little instructions. So let's see what it says. Plug tool in, one light will be illuminated. Looks like as it's heating up, the light is going up each little dot. Oh, it's not yet heating. Press and hold the power button to turn the device on. Then press the same button with the LED lights to indicate desired temperature. Okay, so this just means it's plugged in. So then we can turn it on. Hold it for a second. Okay. So it's heating at 280. As you can see, it's blinking. I'm going to go up a notch. Let's do 320. We'll let that heat up. Once tool heats up, fan will turn on. If preferred, press fan button to turn it off. So basically the fan is to help cool and lock in the style. Cool. All right, this looks pretty straightforward. Well, let's do it. Oh! Scared me. Okay, that's the fan. All right, let's turn the fan off real quick. Looks like it heated up really fast. Wow. I'm gonna do my hair in two sections, but let's spray some heat protectant on it first. I just got my hair done last week, so I'm still trying to figure out how to style it. I know some people say you really don't have to do much to the underneath layer, but I might do a piece or two. But first, what I like to do is section my hair in half and then use the heat protectant. I like to get the layer of hair underneath, like the top layer with heat protectant. Just very, particular about that. And the one I use is the Amika, the Shield. It's an anti-humidity spray, but it also has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What I like about this is don't use too much or it will weigh down your hair, but it does help frizz. So I'm just going to spray lightly. And it's also very perfumey because that's all Amika products. Okay, and then I'm going to do the next layer. Kind of focusing more on the ends. I'm just gonna brush through it. As you can see, how that kind of just smoothed my hair. Very smoothing. So you can even use that if you have frizzy hair and you're not like heat styling it. You can even use it for like frizz control. So I'm gonna do two sections. I have watched a few videos, so hopefully I kind of get what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just going to twist and then slide it down. I am going to put the fan on. Hopefully it's not too loud. Yeah, it's not too loud. All right, so twist and then turn and then pull down and then straighten the ends so I get like a little bend. Oh, that's so cute. Bottom layer, I can just be messy because you don't really see it. So then pull and then I straighten the ends out because I like straight ends. Oh, see, I hit the button so it's going up. So I'm going to go back. I wish there was a way to lock it. Okay, and I'm gonna get this bottom piece too. Don't know how this is gonna go, but yikes. Okay, maybe we'll just leave that. So the other side, the fan's actually not super loud. Let's try to get the back section and do a piece back here. So yeah, I slide down, twist, slide, and then once I'm at the end, I pull it straight. I don't know. Let's try a regular way. Let's not try pulling the end straight so I can show you. Oh, okay. So that's weird, right? Made it really weird. Alright, let's redo that. Redo that. I'm not good at hair, guys. I'm not good at hair. Dude, we can try to keep twisting it. Oh, okay. Ooh, there we go. Now that it's good. Keep twisting it. And I still got a straight end, so that's pretty cool. What is nice is if you don't have a straight end, you can literally just take it through the flat iron. Nice. I'm gonna try to fix this. There we go. I'm gonna fast forward the next layer and we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, little bit of a learning curve, but I love what that does for my hair. I feel like this side got a little more curlier just because I was doing a different technique. This side got a little more of what I like. I kind of like a little more bent look. A little less curly, the ends are straight. Let me do another piece up here. I was just taking my time more and just spinning it and just, you know, doing that, which gave more of like one single bent, whereas over here I was kind of doing the same thing, but I feel like I was twisting a little bit more, especially down here. It kind of got really curly, but I think that will die down. And again, what's nice about this, you can literally go over it and kind of soften it, flatten it out. My hair holds curl pretty well, so it's just a little tricky to straighten it out after it's curled, but actually really love this look for my hair right now. The only thing I will say that I am not a fan of, I wish this clamp opened a little wider. Sometimes if you take too big of a section, say you're taking like a section like this, you go and like you can see it kind of like you really have to like go down here, slide up to get all the hair under there. But other than that, I love how the hair glides through it. My hair doesn't have too much static. That's always a big complaint for me too, especially in the wintertime when I use certain tools. I'll get like a lot of static, but this one I feel like I don't have that much. And again, my hair just like glide through it. It looks really nice. Probably have to touch up the back. Let me just do the back real quick. And here is what the back looks like. Can you guys see that? I don't know how good it is. I might have to fix it a bit, but yeah, I just really love how much volume, how much texture it kind of gave my hair. Obviously, this is like the first time me doing this, so it will take practice just to make curls a little more perfect. As you can see, the bent is down here, whereas other pieces of hair, it's like in the middle. So I think that's where I had to kind of figure out, you know, how to get the bent more even throughout my hair. But other than that, it was just so easy. And I love that it's a straightener and a curler in one. I'm digging this. I'm digging the short hair. I really like this. I brushed through the curls pretty quickly, so kind of looks like the hairstyle is falling a little faster. I think next time I will let it completely cool for a few minutes. Even though the fan's on, I still will let it completely cool down before brushing through. Unless you like a more relaxed look, which I do. I definitely like a more relaxed look. But again, I think I would let it cool for a couple more minutes before kind of brushing it out. Nothing got caught or snagged at all, which is really cool. For as fast as it heated up, the only thing I don't like is that I kept hitting this button, so I kept increasing the heat. I wonder if there's like a lock. No, that just turned it off. There's no way to like lock that button, which is okay, but I kept hitting it, so I had to keep going all the way up and back to the heat setting I wanted. But I feel like this didn't feel very damaging to my hair either. It doesn't feel like, I mean, it's a little warm to touch, but I feel like if you have the fan on, it's really not that hot. Like, I can have my fingers here and it's not hot at all. I mean, I would still be careful with this because it is a hot tool. You can still burn yourself, but I just think so fun. It's great. I forgot to mention that I purchased it online. Let's see how much it went for. I know they do sell this at Ulta, but I feel like when I went onto Laneage's actual website, I got it for cheaper. Just because you can usually get like sign up for emails, get 20% off. They also have 2 sizes in this. This is the classic that I bought. Looks like they have a new one called the Flex on there. I don't know what that is about, but I got the Lay Duo Classic in the original size. They do have a Grande, so maybe that has like a bigger clamp if you're really struggling. Maybe the Grande will be better. See what the Grande says. If your hair is longer than below your shoulders, they suggest the Grande. It looks like they're the same price, $89 for either the standard or the Grande. And it comes in this blush color or a nice sleek matte black. Aha, so I used the code BLOOM on here, which they have right now. And I got it for $59.95 with that code, so 33% savings. And I also picked up that matte, so definitely spent less than $89 using the code. So if you are interested in buying it, I would definitely check out their website before buying it at Ulta. But overall, I think it's like an awesome hair tool. I'll have to keep trying it out. This is just like how I like it. I love my new hair. Like, this makes it like so chic, so cute. It was super easy to use. So yeah, overall, first impressions, I'm really, really liking it. I think it would also be a great gift for maybe a younger person or a teenager who is new to a hot tool, because I feel like it is very safe. I feel like it is a safer hair tool than your traditional flat iron or curling iron. And with someone who's new, young, or inexperienced, I think this would be a really great gift for them, and it delivers beautiful curls, or you can straighten your hair. So I think it's a really great gift as well. Don't know how long it's gonna last. I can leave an update in the comments down below if you guys want me to. There's not a lot I can do with my hair since it's so short, you know. It's not like I have long hair and I can do curls or waves or straighten it, but I could do another video on straightening my hair if you're interested in that. I generally don't because I have very fine hair, so generally like something to give me texture and body. But if you guys want me to see it in another way, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts if you love this, what hair tools you love. Really, really happy I got that. I think it's like a really great product, and I'm overall really, really happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new or you like beauty videos, make sure to hit subscribe before you go, and I'll hope to see you next time. Bye!